In this video, we will introduce the prep guide to pass the H12841-V1.5 HCIP-Datacom-Campus Network Planning and Deployment exam. What is H12841-V1.5 HCIP-Datacom-Campus Network Planning and Deployment exam? H12841-V1.5 exam information. Understand knowledge point. Best study strategy to pass the exam. 1. Which of the following modules is not included in the NAQ association function? A. Application module. B. Track module. C. Computing module. D. Monitoring module. Answer: C. 2. Which of the following statements about the campus network is incorrect? A. Campus networks refer to the internal networks of enterprises or organizations. B. Campus networks with less than 200 terminals are classified into medium-sized campus network based on the number of terminal users. C. Campus networks are classified into wireless campus networks and wired campus networks based on terminal access modes. D. To meet the requirements of different industries, the campus network architecture is designed based on the characteristics of the industries it serves. Answer: B. 3. Which of the following statements about the WLAN networking architecture is incorrect? A. FAT APs can be used in scenarios such as mini-stores. B. When a FIT AP is used, the AP can work independently or together with the AC. C. In the small and medium-sized campus scenario, cloud APs can be used together with the cloud management platform. D. In a medium and large-sized intent-driven campus scenario, the native AC function of the switch can be used to manage APs on the network. Answer: B. 4. Which of the following statements about portal authentication is incorrect? A. Users can enter the username and password on the web authentication page to authenticate end users. B. Portal authentication requires dedicated client software. C. Portal authentication is applicable to guest access scenarios. D. Portal authentication involves the client, access device, portal server, and authentication server. Answer: B. 5. Which of the following statements about the policy control matrix in free mobility is incorrect? A. The policy control matrix is used to define access rights between security groups. B. The matching sequence of policies in the policy control matrix is determined by priority. C. Group any can be used as the source or destination group in the policy control matrix. D. The default policy in the policy control matrix is permit. Answer: C. 6. Which of the following is used to transmit external network segment routes in BGP EVPN? A. BGP EVPN Type 1 routes. B. BGP EVPN Type 2 routes. C. BGP EVPN Type 3 routes. D. BGP VPN Type 5 routes. Answer: D. 7. The HCIP protocol can use multiple methods to authenticate the identity of the peer. Which of the following is not the method for authenticating the identity of the peer? A. Pre-shared key. B. Digital certificates. C. Authentication template. D. Digital envelope. Answer: C. 8. Which of the following is not the deployment mode of iMaster NCE Campus? A. On-premise. B. Huawei Public Cloud. C. MSP-owned cloud. D. Data center. Answer: D. 9. Which of the following authentication triggering modes are supported by 802.1x authentication? Multiple choice. A. Triggered by the client. B. Triggered by the access device. C. Triggered by the authentication server. D. Triggered by the controller. Answer: A. B. 10. Which of the following functions can be implemented by VRRP? Multiple choice. A. Redundancy backup. B. Load balancing. C. Association function. D. Antivirus attacks. Answer: A, B, C. 11. Which of the following statements about the multi-purpose network function of Cloud Campus are correct? Multiple choice. A. Multiple services can be carried on one network. B. Automatic physical network deployment is supported. C. All devices on a Layer 3 physical network must support VXLAN. D. Only a single border network can connect to external networks. Answer: A, B. 12. Which of the following network resources need to be defined during underlay network configuration? Multiple choice. A. Network service resources. B. External network. C. Interconnection VLAN resources. D. Interworking IP resources. Answer: C, D. 13. Which of the following roles are involved in free mobility? Multiple choice. A. Authentication points. B. Policy enforcement point. C. Policy control points. D. Policy control center. Answer: Abed. 14. In which of the following scenarios does a BGP VPN Type 2 route carry a host MAC address? Multiple choice. A. Used for host MAC address advertisement. B. Used for host ARP advertisement. C. Used for IP route advertisement. D. Used to transmit external network segment routes. Answer: A, B, C. 15. Which of the following functions are supported by iMaster NCE Campus Insight? Multiple choice. A. Client journey. B. Protocol tracing. C. Experience analysis. D. Application analysis. Answer: A, B, C, D. 16. Which of the following VXLAN gateways are classified by function? Multiple choice. A. VXLAN Layer 2 gateway. B. VXLAN Layer 3 gateway. C. VXLAN centralized gateway. D. VXLAN distributed gateways. Answer: A. B. 17. Which of the following authentication technologies can be used on small and medium-sized campus networks? Multiple choice. A. Portal authentication. B. MAC address authentication. Circa 802.1x authentication. D. Multi-mode authentication. Answer: A, B, C, D. 18. Which of the following methods are used by IPsec VPN to ensure secure transmission of user data on the Internet? Multiple choice. A. Data source verification. B. Data encryption. C. Data integrity verification. D. Anti-replay. Answer: A, B, C, D. Subscribe Passert for more IT exam prep.